Alright, welcome to Be Cool Cubing, and today I'm going to show you how to solve the 2x2. This cube's really easy. Well, once you master it, it's so easy to do. My best time's like 4 seconds, so you probably be able. This is a beginner's method tutorial. I'm probably going to post a video about Ortega. Stay tuned if you want that. Pretty fast method, you can average under 5 seconds. So let's just get it started. So first we have to go over notation. If you've seen my 3x3 tutorial, well, you don't even need to know how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Don't worry about it. If you want to know, I have a tutorial on that. Just go check that one out. It's really good. So first we have to go over notation. If you've seen the 3x3, you know what notation is. So when you see R, just a normal R like this algorithm we're gonna have to learn. R, just when you see a normal R, you take the right side and move it up. When you see RM prime, which is the apostrophe, you go R prime. So take the right side and go down. So R prime. So then same for U layer, up layer. If you see a U, you go U to that. So upside that way. And then when you see U prime, it means go that way. So U prime, R prime. So then L. So when you see L prime, it means go up. I know it sort of sounds weird, but if you think about it, when you rotate it, that is L. So that's L, and then L prime. L prime means you take the left side and you go up. So L prime, L. Okay, and after you've memorized notation, we are going to scramble this cube up, and I'm going to get to showing you how to solve it. Okay, so the first step is you're going to pick a white piece. They're all corner pieces, so just pick a white sticker, and this is stickerless if they have stickers. Pick a white tile, and I'm going to face this white. I'm going to use this one because it's marked. I'm going to put it on, rotating the cube, and put it on the bottom. Now it's on the bottom like this. And this piece is orange and blue. Yours can be any color. I just recommend picking the orange blue, and putting the white on the bottom. So yeah, I recommend picking orange and blue. Even if yours is not marked orange and blue, just pick it so it's easier. And we need to find a white piece in the top layer that has either orange or blue. And I can see that this one right here has blue. So and if it has orange like this one, you're just gonna find one that has either orange or blue or whatever colors, and you're gonna hold that. Where we're also trying to make a color layer that has different colors. So this is not a layer because the side colors do not match. So this one, and so we need these two sky colors to match to make a white. So we could just bring it down, but we need to learn this algorithm to put it in the right spot. So after it's in the top right-hand corner, because that's where it needs, under this slot where it needs to go. So we need to put this one, move it with any for this piece. So to do that, we're gonna perform this algorithm right here. So we're gonna do R, so it means moving the right side up, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime. R, U, R prime, U prime. U, R prime, U prime. And there you go. You have solved this piece. And you have solved this white piece. I know this layer came from. Never mind. And so now that we've done that, we need to find one that has either red. And this one has red. And remember, you can do it as many times as you need to until it gets solved. And I recommend that you memorize this algorithm right here so you can do it without even thinking. And we can ignore this algorithm. So I find this piece that has red and green, and this one has red, so let's just use this one. So we can put it right under where it needs to go, the slot where it needs to go. Do R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime. And then there you go, you solve that. And if the piece is twisted in the bottom layer, same for this piece. If it's twisted, we just need to do the algorithm to get it up out of its place. And this is the last piece where we just need to put it there. Do the algorithm, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime. And there we go. We have solved our first one side with all the side colors are matching. Now that we've done this, I recommend you practice this step so you get comfortable with doing it. Now, we need to put the corners into the right spot. If you watch my 3x3 tutorial, you know what I'm talking about. So, it means, see this color, it's orange, and this color is green, and this side, well, white is always opposite of yellow. So that means this side's gonna be yellow, and there's also white yellow pieces facing up here. So it's between the orange, green, and yellow. Just twist it. We need to put all these like this. Not necessarily solve them. It's okay if they're solved, but we need to. It's okay if they're solved, and if all of yours check if all of yours are like these. We need to twist it until we only get one in the right spot. So right now, I see this one solved in the right spot. This one is not in the right spot, but this one is in the right spot. It's also solved, so that's pretty cool. And this one is not in the right spot. That's 2. You can always match 2 or 1. If they're all in the right spot, you can just skip the step and skip on to the next step. If you have none, now we're gonna turn it again, and now there's none in the right spot. And one more time. This one's in the right spot. This one's not in the right spot. This one is on the right spot. This one's not. So if you only can match 2, either 2 across from each other or 2 next to each other, you just hold it from any point. And same if you have 2 next to each other, solved next to each other. Not solved, in the right spot next to each other. And if you have 1, you need to hold it in the top right hand corner, and we perform this algorithm. If you have none, you can hold it wherever. U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. And now we have 2 solved in the right spot next to each other. So you're gonna hold, if you have none, or if you have none, you can just do it again until you get 1. So make sure to twist the top. So now that I have 2 next to each other, I'm gonna twist it again. Okay, and now I have 1 in the right spot. So we're just gonna do U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L prime. And now we're just gonna repeat those. If you didn't understand me, you can just play back the video, and we need to, and after the things are in the right spot, we can flip it over, and we're gonna find 1 unsolved corner and put it in the bottom right hand corner by just rotating it. So after you've done that, and after you've done, see, this is solved, so this is not right. We have to do this, like this. We're gonna do the first algorithm from the beginning. R, U, R prime, U prime. And it didn't solve. We keep solving and messed up. It's okay, we don't care about this. We just need to solve these corners one by one. R, U, R prime, U prime. And now this corner is solved. So you think we just rotate it. Do not do that. It will mess up your cube. We need to rotate the bottom front layer until we have an unsolved corner. I only have 1 unsolved corner left, so I'm going to do the R, U, R prime, U prime algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime. R, U, R prime. And then U prime. And just, if there's still another unsolved corner, just keep rotating the bottom layer, doing that, and do the R prime, U prime as many times as you need to until your Rubik's Cube is solved. So make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. And if you like what I do, just subscribe and for more. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this, and I'm probably gonna make a tutorial how to solve this cube, which is a really fun puzzle. It's really easy like this one. So yeah, just stay tuned if you wanna learn how to solve this cube. So yeah, stay tuned. Bye bye.